Hey guys, if you're looking for an easy way how to create your own clone for better Instagram posts, then you're in the right place. Let's take a look at this. If this technique is too easy for you and you know how to do it already, then just click on the card and I'll show you something more advanced. Trust me guys, this is a very simple technique and it's only gonna take a few minutes of your time. To make this happen, all you need is just a smartphone. We will use the phone to edit and film the footage. For editing, we'll use the app called CapCut. So let's see how it's done.
First, you want to start a new project and import the video. I'll tell you how I filmed it, even though there are several ways how to go about it. I set up my camera in the frame I want and clicked record. Then I walked to the first position I want and recorded myself standing for about 10 seconds. Then walked out from the frame and walked back in while stopping at the second position I want, and stood there for another 10 seconds. Now you need to trim the video, so you're left with two separate videos of where you want both of you to appear. Then click on the video which is closer to the foreground and click button Remove Background. That means click on the one where you stand closer to the camera. That will allow us to overlap both videos if we need to. Select the foreground video and select an overlay option. After that, all that's left to do is to clean up the video by trimming unwanted places and adding music or removing the sound from original clip. Like I trimmed my video here to match me nodding my head with an action happening in the background. And finally, if you like, you can remove CapCut watermark, which is located at the very end of the timeline. Before saving the video, click on the quality setting at the top and increase frame rate, just in case you filmed on a higher frame rate, so it keeps it instead of downgrading it.
As I said guys, easy, simple and interesting. Now, off you go to try yourself. Thank you for your support guys by choosing to watch my video. And as always, I'll see you next time.